Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we're currently on our way to get the windows tinted. I've had this car for about a year now and I've never tinted it. And I thought, you know what, let's do it now before it gets hot, so that way when you leave the windows closed for, I think it's 3 days to a week for the water to completely disappear and all the bubbles and all that shit, it won't be hot by then. So we're gonna do it now. And I have two things coming in the mail today. One of them is the shift boot. So I ordered a shift boot on eBay. The reason why is because I'm tired of seeing this black and I just wanted to throw something else in there that I wouldn't just see, you know, black leather. And the reason why I ordered it from eBay is because I don't know what I want, but the brand I do want to go with is D-Boy Shifts. And the reason why I'm going with D-Boy Shifts is because they make custom fitted boots for specific cars. So for this car, they would make a specific cut, especially for the tabs that go inside of the center console. So that's why I want to go with D-Boy Shifts. But before I get the actual deal, I'm gonna try the eBay version out to see if I like the design, because it is bride. So I'm getting brides off $10 from eBay. So that's why I did it that way, so I can see if I like it, and if I don't like it, I could end up just going a different route instead of getting brides. So that's the reason why I'm getting on eBay, and I know I have to make my own cuts for the tabs to fit inside of these clips right here that goes between the grooves. I'm gonna need to do that with the eBay ones because they are cut to size to put in tabs. So let's go get the windows tinted and then go home and install the parts. I'm gonna show you how the outside looks right now. You can still see through it, which is fine. I didn't want anything too dark that will attract cops anyways. But I mean, if you get close enough, you can see through it. But it's pretty much how she's sitting. Noise, and it definitely makes the yellow pop out a little bit more since it is tinted and you mainly see yellow now. Obviously the black is there, but mostly yellow. So, this is one of the many things I got. Hopefully I don't cut it. Ooh, I was so close to cutting that. Look how close that thing was. Holy shit. Here's the bride boot that I was talking about. Hopefully it does fit and hopefully there's nothing wrong with it. But like I said, I'm gonna have to cut these bottom pieces to make that tab that goes between the edges. And that's pretty much how it's gonna look like. And I also ordered another shift knob. The reason why is because my Mugen one that I had before, I had sold it, and when I sold it and went back to my stock one, I was like, fuck, like this thing sucks, because I got so used to the girth of the authentic Mugen one, so I ended up just buying one off eBay as well for 20 bucks. So this is the eBay one, the fake fiber. It's literally, oh, it's weighted. I didn't think it was still gonna be weighted, but I don't know if it was as heavy. And there's some scratches on it, which I don't mind. Like I said, I got so used to the girth of this compared to the stock one, so I just bought a fake one. And I don't really care for authenticity right now because I don't really care for the shift knob. That's why I sold it in the first place, to get other things. So let's go in the car and start taking everything apart. Also, this is the wrong one my friend gave me. It's not for the SI, so I just left it there. It literally just sits on it. It's not the right one. See, this thing is supposed to be cut right here, but I just left that on. I'm gonna be giving this away to another one of my friends, so that's pretty much just staying there. It's been about 3 weeks since I last recorded. The reason why is because the SI shifter, you can't fit a universal type of shift boot on it. It has specific cutouts to go inside the support thing because there's tabs in it that it has to go in. So I tried making cutouts and It didn't work, it just started coming apart because you're, the way they're threaded, you know, if you cut something, it'll just come apart. So I did order something. Oh shit, sorry mom, oops, that can go there, sorry. Anyways, I ordered me a shift boot off D-Boy. The reason why it took 3 weeks is because I was waiting for them to release something in particular. And if you watch Naruto, you would know what this is. So this is going to be going on the SI. And as you see, there's cutouts right there at the bottom. That's what I mean by it is made specific. So we're going to install this shift boot and we'll continue the montage. You'll see in a couple seconds that there is a montage on how to do this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna continue the video from there. Just like that, we're done. So literally all you had to do is just take out the stock boot and then make sure to take that little O-ring out so you could put on the new shift boot so it could lock onto the shifter. And I didn't use the original stapers, which are right there. I used these little paper clip things instead because it was holding it and it's still pretty sticky. So I just put it on there, took it out. You know, I'm not really worried about it. I didn't really want to poke holes on the new shift boot and go through the hassle of clamping it back down. So I just use that instead, and that's literally it. That's the stock shift boot. Now we just got to put everything back together, all the 6 screws together, and put this back on the car. Excuse the mess in the car, but damn, just like that, it is done. Kind of just like gotta tuck it in a little bit, unless you want it like upwards, but I just tucked it down, and there it is. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. Also, I am thinking about changing my shifter. I'm going to show you right now how it looks like. So there's a page on Instagram called We Are Likewise. I want to get something like this. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about that shift assembly. I kind of like it. I know it's going to probably add a throw of like probably 3 inches or more. I have no idea, but it is customizable. And I want it to be a little bit closer to my wheel, or you can have it further away from your wheel. Me, I would like it closer to my wheel. That's pretty much how it looks like. Thank you guys again for watching another video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and comment down below what you guys think about the shift knob or the little shift boot. I am setting my wheels. I'm selling it. If you guys are interested, I'm SoCal. It is 18 by 8.5, 35 offset with tires, of course. But if you do have an SI, because I am trying to go back to the SI wheels, hit me up. You know, I could trade with you. We cash on top. There's no curbs, no scratches, dents, or anything, no rust. It's just a little dirty because I haven't really cleaned it. It's been 2 months since I cleaned this thing, and that's pretty much it. So this is how it looks on the SI. Right here, it's a little cambered in, but the front is literally flush with the fender. I almost said fresh, but yeah, whatever. That's literally how it looks like. It's literally flush with the fender, if you can see it. And the rear, I just need to adjust my camber arms and get it aligned and have them do 0. So it's more flush with the fender. But if you guys are interested, let me know. My Instagram is mvrkfc3. Once again, thank you guys again for watching this video. Until then, I'll see you guys next time.